My brother-in-law has 3 daughters. His youngest daughter had her first baby last week. We went to visit them at his house. She was staying there to rest and get some help after the birth. During the pregnancy, I had a feeling the baby would be big. Her tummy was very large. Everyone else was surprised by his size. I wasn't. He was a healthy baby boy. He was bigger than most people expected. When we arrived, the house was quiet and warm. My wife's niece was sitting in the living room. The baby was asleep in her arms. She looked tired. She also looked happy, both at the same time. We sat down and talked for a while. The baby slept through all of it. Then it was my wife's turn to hold him. She held him carefully and smiled. After a few minutes, she passed him to me. I stood up slowly and held him close. I started to sway gently from side to side. He was bigger than I expected a newborn to feel, but in my arms, he looked so small. I wasn't nervous. Holding him felt natural. It felt good. His eyes were closed. His breathing was slow and quiet. After a while, he fell asleep even more deeply. His whole body relaxed. I kept swaying. I didn't want to stop. My wife watched us from across the room. She said quietly, "He likes you." I'm not sure if that's true, but I liked him. We stayed a little longer. Then we said goodbye and drove home. The house was quiet when we got back. The evening felt different somehow. I thought about how big he was. I thought about how small he looked. New things are like that sometimes. Bigger than you expect and smaller than you imagine, all at once. I hope the little big guy grows up happy, healthy, and strong.